Good morning. Today I'm going to head out and check the game camera, see if we got anything on that. And I got a few products sent to me. So go over them and check out some of the features. So I'm just going to take you along for the walk. Hope you enjoy. One of the products I have is Work Pro. Bimetal Work Pro. It's a fold-out knife. Just press the button, or saw. Let's test it on the branch. I'm always constantly trying to keep these paths cleared, so. There too. Nice clean cut. Very sharp. Nice. Definitely works well and very compact. I just stick it in my back pocket. Yeah, and one of the other products I have is the Felissa folding tripod stool with backrest. So simply folds, set her down, and nice backrest. It has some pockets on the side. Store a camera, store anything, flashlight possibly. While we're talking about the flashlight, we also have Ever-Bright flashlight. You can hang it up in a tent or off a tree branch, anything such as that. It's got 3 different settings. It's regular, strobe, and a higher intensity. I'll run over this little flashlight tonight also. You can see how it operates in the dark. Also on the Ever-Bright flashlight, you can unscrew the top slightly and it pulls up, makes a nice little lantern. That's another great feature I wanted to add in. It does take 3 AAA batteries. Okay, and last but not least, we have a multi-tool, 18-in-1, Felissa, also same as the chair. It's got 18, I don't know if I can go through them all, but I'll list them anyway. It's got a flint striker, start fire. This also comes off, and it's a whistle. So that's pretty cool for survival. This is great survival gear. What other features we got here? Well, we got a file. You want to do your nails out in the bush, or file whatever. 2 different sides. We have scissors. Always comes in handy. Knife blade. Sharp with a rough edge here, or teeth for cutting. Simply press in when you want to put the tool back in its slot. And what else we got here? Saw blade, always handy. And the standard pliers. And also on this, it has a nice cutting blades for wire or whatever. And you can see how you can remove them, replace the blades. It's got some screws in there. It's got a handy clip here that if you want to just hold it into your pant pocket or on a belt. Don't want to use the pouch. It's got a striker, window brake, what else we got here? We also have a variety inside. Just a little lock here you got to press. Open her up. And you have bottle opener. Just a little punch. Oh, fine end screwdriver, flat, detailed work. Another screwdriver, flat blade. Another little blade here. That'd be great for cleaning your fingernails for sure. But quite a variety, 18 in one. Now, to check the trail cam. There will be links in the description, of course, for all these products if you think one might be useful for yourself or for a gift for someone else.